Uh, I've been learning about sheep farming from YouTube, and I was amazed by one farmer from Laikipia, and he had Dorper, Dorper sheep, which he usually ships from Southern Africa, and I was amazed by how he was able to take care of those Dorper sheep. Now, with the little ahead, I decided that I'll start small so that by the time I'll have this breed of Dorper, though they are not pure Dorper, it is a black-headed sheep, I'll one day be able to achieve what I've been able to learn from that farmer. My aim is to produce hybrid sheep, mostly maybe from Southern Africa. But when you look at how expensive they are, then at one point you feel that you have to save more so that you can be able to reach that stage. So I'm learning some bits of it, how to deworm, how to feed them. My mode of feeding is open areas where there is grass. Those are some of the specific areas I usually go to graze those sheep, and inshallah, as I'm trying to upgrade soon, I believe that I'll upgrade so that I'll have a good drum which I can be able to breed with my black-headed sheep, because these ones are not Dorper sheep. These are just black-headed sheep. But when you look at them, maybe some people can call them they can call them the Dorper sheep, but in real sense, they are just black-headed sheep, the local breed, which we found here in Narok County. At the moment, I don't have somebody who is taking care of them. The only person who usually takes care of them is my children and my wife, though I believe that by the time they'll come many, I'll be able to employ somebody who will be able to take care of them. So mostly I usually remove them from the pen at around 10 a.m. in the morning. Then from there I graze them up to noon. Then I return them home so that they can be able to get water. Then they relax till around 3 p.m. in the afternoon. Then I take them again to the field for like around 2 hours or 1.5 hours. And then after there, I return them home. Then I give them salt to lick. Then I call it a day, hoping that one day I'll be able to learn more about these black-headed farming, or call them Dorper sheep. Yeah, so welcome to this channel, as I'll be informing you steps by steps which I'll be taking through. Then if I'll succeed, I believe so many farmers can be able to succeed on this part of Narok County. Thank you.